Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Monday, April the 15th, and this is a quick hit on the indexes. And hopefully my birds won't scream too much. Away we go. Here we are with the Dow. We finally had a very impressive down day. Dow down 260, almost 66 points. Whew. Lots to look at. For one, we had a downtick. It was resolved intraday and then some. Going down to long-term moving average bar, and the major price consensus level is in the area of 14,500. Just over 100 points from where we are at the moment. We'd been looking at all these indicators, waiting for them to turn over, and they did so today. All of them. The daily looks poor. And beyond that, I mean, everything looks poor. What could we look forward to on the downside? I guess that's the million-dollar question. I suppose if this is the beginning of the real down move, which it appears is possible, the ultimate target should be just above 14K, right here. Also aligns with the old major price consensus level. But, I mean, we have some things to chew through here. And a more conservative and reasonable target, I was calculating this out, actually comes out to 14.3, right here, which happens at this moment to coincide with the second to the last long-term moving average for a single deep penetration. Could be either one. We just don't have enough data at this time. And you would expect Bernanke and the rest to run in and try to save this. The good thing about that is that while we do have a downtick resolved, we have a big red candle to deal with. So we already have resistance levels to look forward to. So bounce not to be counted out. I mean, this was huge. Going on to the 60-minute to see how bad this sucker is. Well, for one, it did not hold. Did not hold this level right here, which is actually pretty significant. And so going down to this level right here would be normal, just below 14,450. Beyond that, 60-minute time frame, how does it look? Well, it's pretty extended, as it should be. You have a minor bottoming area in the heat map. So, as long as we make a lower high, assuming that we get a bounce, it's all good for the bears. All good for the bears. And just for fun, I'm going to look at the Dow Jones Transports. And the reason for this is because I had been pointing this chart out the last few days about descending highs. And here we have them, and we had an incredible breakdown here. The only reason why I'm bringing this up is because it cleared the entire long-term moving average bar all in one hit. That's massively strong, but getting through the bar is significant and holding it. So this is a very, very bearish sign. It'll probably end up with positive divergence, but anyways, I'm not going to worry about that yet. It just looks ugly. Going on to SPX. Very nice. Getting below the major price consensus level for this month. Closing inside of the long-term moving average bar. Quite a feat, considering how far it had to come. Everything turning bearish. This is an ugly chart. There's nothing else to really say. Just going to keep it short and sweet tonight. Going on to the VIX. This one's a little bit troubling to me. It's way outside the upper Bollinger Band. It did beat the 200-day moving average, which is fantastic. This is a wonderful sign. We haven't done this in so darn long. And we saw what happened to it the last time. Notice the difference between today and that time. That time it gapped up to it and fell apart. Big red candle. This time it did it the proper way and fought it out straight away. So lots of positive things on this, but this is a huge move. I mean, 43% in one day. It's crazy. We do have a blip in the heat map. Thanks to today, everything is moving up. CCI is really too high. So I mean, this isn't perfect. There should be some kind of retrace tomorrow. But as long as it can keep over the 200-day moving average, especially, wow. I mean, wow. Going on to SPY for our volume information. Oops. You would think that after today, it would change. I haven't looked, so this is going to be a little bit of a mystery. And look at that. The two majors still have not flipped. So it is not, everything is not in the bag for the bears at the moment. On balance volume, so darn close, but it's been so darn close many times. So we have nothing on here. We still have 3 reds, all minors, 2 greens, both the majors, and unfortunately nothing to add there. And that's it. I'm very curious about tomorrow. I do have some shorts. I do have stops on all of them. I want to believe the breakdown, but I'm also just not going to blindly believe it. Still have a long ways to go. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.